Friends, welcome to this today's first match between SAL vs VIA. Before knowing the stats of the every player, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will get my channel, so please subscribe my Telegram channel so that you can get any information after the changing of the lineups. And I will give you the free teams in my Telegram channel only. So please subscribe my Telegram channel. Now we will see the pitch report of this today's match. This is the pitch report of the today's match. This pitch is neutral and this pitch more supposed to the pacers and batting. Spinners get little support from this pitch. As I saw the previous matches, all the first inning who are playing the first innings, they are only getting winning chance, only high possibility. So try to remember one point only. While chasing this pitch is very difficult, so try to keep top order batsmen only and try to get more all rounders and keep more bowlers so that you can get good points in Grand League. Now I will show you the playing 11 of the both teams, so listen carefully friends. I will complete this video in short time only. SCC playing 11 will be M. Shahid, S. Gore, A. Bilal, R. Panchain, Z. Khan, S. Shema, K. Kailash, S. Mohammad, M. Hasan, L. Mohammad, S. N. Hamad. And VCC playing 11 will be K. Malayar, R. Shigwal, S. Mohammad, A. Amaje, N. Amaje, S. Jardran, M. Shanwar, B. Khan, Z. Mohammad, I. Shafi, S. Abraham. These are the playing 11 of the both teams. Now we will discuss the stats of the each and every player. I will tell you the batting order, bowling order, combinations also, captain and vice captain choice also. So please listen carefully this video so that you get some info also. And now I will tell you the stats of the wicket keepers. So listen carefully. Coming to the A. Billal is the good all-rounder. He will come to bat as the opener and he will bowl 2 hours. And remember one point, he will bowl in the depth order, so there is a high chance of the getting also wickets. So try to keep him in as a very main player only. So don't leave him in any Grand League or mini league because he is very attacking batsman. He can score at least 30 runs in the power play only. So please remember that one point only. He is very important player. And Hamad will open the along with A. Billal. I didn't get his stats, but he also playing very attacking only. So if it's your choice to go with him. S. Mohammad is also another very attacking player. He didn't played any previous matches, but he has a very opening. He will come to opener, but he is very good attacking batsman. He stats at 22 matches, 370 runs and 6 wickets. There is a chance of one over or 2 hours bowling also. So it's your chance. Al Mohammad will come to one down or two down. It's your choice to keep him. He is also very attacking batsman. Coming to the batting side, R. Javid is the opener batsman and key batsman also. He didn't came to open the batting also. He didn't came to the one down in the previous matches also. So if there is a high possibility to come one down or opener, so it's your choice to go with him. K. Malayar will open along with uh, along with the player. So his stats also very good, and the stats are I will tell you the stats. So listen carefully. 24 matches, 405 runs. He is very attacking batsman. So he can score at least 20 runs in the power play only. So try to keep him. A. Navi is also another important player. He will come to one down batsman. If he is there in this match, please try to go with him because he is very experienced player. And his stats are 2 matches, 66 runs. He is very important bowler. And batsman also there is a chance also. R. Panchain, he will bowl 2 hours conformly and he will come to bat also, and his stats are 5 matches, 88 runs, 3 wickets. He is the middle order batsman also, so there is a chance of the batting also. So try to keep him because he is very important player. Hassan, he is the middle order batsman, and I didn't get his stats also. K. Kailash, he will come to bat as the 2 down and he is also very good player. He can score 20 to 30 runs also. So it's your choice to go with him. Shanwari is also another good all rounder, but he didn't bowl previous matches and his stats are 19 matches, 223 runs, 11 wickets. If there is a chance also, he can bowl 1 hour only. So it's your choice only. Jad Ibrahim will bowl confirmly 2 hours. He is very good all rounder and key batsman also. His stats are 23 matches, 184 runs and 11 wickets. So try to go with him also. He is very important. Air is the another middle order batsman. If he is there in the match, please go with him. M. Tana also another important all rounder. If he is there in the match, please go with him. 21 matches, 108 runs, 18 wickets. He will bowl conformly. So try to go with him. Coming to the all-rounders, and Hamaji is a very attacking batsman. He scored very well in the first match, 60 runs, and the second match he ducked out and he didn't play very well. So try to go with him as an player only. And his stats are also 14 matches, 360 runs, 15 wickets. It's your chance only. M. Saeedi is another very important player. He is the captain of SL. He can promote his batting order also. He will bowl 2 hours and his stats are 63 matches, 317 runs and 45 wickets. So he is also another key all-rounder. Jet Goreja will come to bat as the one down or opener only. He is also very attacking batsman. His stats are 70 matches, 1907 runs, 73 wickets. He will ball in the opening overs only 1 to 3 hours, 1 to 6 hours. He will ball 2 hours. So try to go with him because he is also another important player. He can score very well also. A. Amaji will come to bat at one down also. He is very important player and he has a very experience in T10 domestic also, and he stats at 30 matches, 564 runs and 29 wickets. You can go with him as an important player. Jet Khan also will bowl 1 hour if there is any chance. I didn't get his stats. It's your choice only. I am leaving. As Sigwal is another attacking player from VIA and he will open the innings also. He is very excellent player. He scored very well in the second match as 67 and previous match also. First match he scored very well 30 runs. He can score at least 30 to 40 runs also. He is very attacking player. So try to don't leave him. Please keep him as an main player only. And coming to the A. Mohammed, I didn't get the stats, so if I get the stats I will inform him in telegrams only. And Akhtar is another important player, and he is, if he is there in this match, please go with him. He is a good all-rounder only, and his stats are 70 matches, 1009 sorry, his stats are 53 matches, 308 runs, 67 wickets. He is very good bowler also, so try to go with him. As Chema, he's the middle order bowler and his stats are 4 matches, 4 wickets only, so you can avoid him. It's your choice only. S. Jadran is another very important player. He and his stats are very good, and he will open the bowling for VIA, and his stats are 29 matches, 318 runs, 38 wickets. He can bat. He can come to bat as the 2 down or 3 down also. So try to go with him. A. Amaji is the another important all rounder for SAL, and his stats are 88 matches, 786 runs and 59 wickets. If N. Akhtar and A. Amaji is there, so try to go with this combo. This combo is very perfect. S. Mohammed is another good bowler. He will bowl 2 hours in the depth over, so try to go with him. Aisafi is also another good bowler, and his stats are 23 matches, 24 wickets. And B. Khan also another bowler, but he will bowl 1 hour or 2 hours only. It's captain choice, so his stats are 7 matches, 107 runs and 10 wickets. And he can bat also, so try to go with him. G. Naveed also, if he is in this match, he can bowl 1 hour. And Jad Mohammed will bowl conformly 2 hours, and his stats are 21 matches, 120 runs and 15 wickets. And as I said, as I said the stats of the every player. So listen carefully, captain and vice captain choice also, because these both teams are very strong teams. So try to listen carefully. I am leaving your choice only. And Hamaja, you can go with vice captain only. Don't go with him captain, because his batting record is not at all good. So if he took 2 wickets only, then only he can get points. So try to go with him as a vice captain only. M. Saidi also you can go with vice captain only, because he is not coming to bat, but he can promote himself only. So you can go with him as a vice captain. As Gore, you can go with him captain, because he will come to one down, or he can open the innings, and he has very good experience. So try to go with him captain. A. Amaje, you can go with him captain, because he will come to one down batting and he can score very well, and he will bowl 2 hours. So try to go with him. You can R. Sigwal, you can go with him vice captain only, because he will not bowl, and with bat only will get runs. So try to go with him vice captain. And in batting side, you can't go with anyone as a captain and vice captain choices. So you can go with the wicketkeeper in A. Bilal, because he is also another good all-rounder. So try to go with him as in captain only, because he can bowl very well. And coming to the bowling order, you can go with him. N. Akhtar, if he is there in this match, you can go with him. A. Amaja also you can go with him. These are the captain and vice captain choices, as I said. And try to play the different fantasy apps like PlayerSport and Ballebbaji. It's your choice. You can play grand leagues or head-to-head matches. And friends, I want to share with you one thing, because I will tell you because I want to be very honest. As I prayed yesterday, all matches, I will show you the screenshots of the every match. These are the matches I am showing the screenshots. And in the first match only, I got mini. In the first match, I got mini league, friends, and I will show you the pick also. This is the mini league I got in the 36 members league. So try to play at our mini leagues only. So friends, if you believe in these teams also, so try to please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. If you don't like my teams also, you can leave the Telegram channel only, I am telling you. So try to subscribe my Telegram channel, and my Telegram channel will be in my description. Please subscribe my Telegram channel, YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you.